What's up, y'all? Bobby with Ponce, checking this project just finished up. Just started raining on the way out here, so hopefully I can get all these pictures and everything done before the rain comes. We'll see. All right, so we got Techo block walkway coming in, landscaping with some landscape lighting. Like the grass is finally starting to come out. Boulder wall and some landscaping here. Absolutely love this pool. Love it. Love it! Little bar area. Sit here all day. More Techo block patio all the way around, of course. Coming up here, some natural stone steps. More Techo block patio. Hot tub. Gas burning fire pit. Little circle cut insert in the patio. More landscaping all around. Outdoor audio. Just absolutely love that raised pool. That edge there with that little bar seating area. Love it. How cool is this place? Oh, here comes the rain.
Flashback.
We have steps coming up here to the upper patio. Some inlays, different patio here, different patio there. Steps going up here to the upper patio, fireplace, and boulders. Jose. All right, go ahead. Bobby's gonna have to edit that, Bert. Upper patio up there with a fire pit right where the cone is. Patio, hot tub, where the skid loader is, just about. Well, not quite that far over. There you go, Bobby. Check back. 5.
5 minutes later.
A little bit of muddy mess out here, Bobby, but we'll make it work. Some more base in today, get up to height, start laying on Monday. A little bit of a mud hole here, Bobby. That's actually not too bad. I got skids out the yin yang here and up there. Our King guys did some veneer here, looking awesome. They veneered our fireplace that we built, which was a pain, Bobby. You can tell Wes that, and Adrian if you want. It's coming together. It's looking real good. Got some pavers laid today. We'll get some more laid tomorrow. Very cool looking pool with the caps on that fireplace.
Booty.
A few moments later.
Here you go, Bobby. I haven't videoed for you in a while. My apologies, I've been busy. I'm busy doing recuts that I'm not allowed to do anymore. Gotta get the approval. The joke, Bobby. A bit late today. Gotta do a lot more cutting. Walkway to still put in over to the porta potty driveway. Some work to be done.
Many minutes later.
Finish the poly sanding this. Dry out a little bit more. Oh, there's my hammer. Left that there. Waiting for the fire pit top. A little too muddy to do any kind of rough grading.
End of flashback.
If you do, please say.